I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your laptop is plugged in or has enough battery so the system won't throttle brightness. Once ready, open Settings, go to System, then Display, or press the Action Center icon and select the brightness tile. This gets you straight to the primary slider. You'll see related toggles like Night Light and Adaptive Brightness. Use these only after you set the base level because they change color temperature and automated behavior. Now refine your display. Start with the slider at about 50% and tweak up or down to match the room's ambient light. This reduces eye strain and preserves battery life. If you work in the evening, enable night light and set its color temperature. Warmer tones reduce blue light. For photo or color work, disable adaptive brightness so the display stays consistent. Adaptive modes shift luminance automatically, which can ruin precise color perception for design tasks. Finish with advanced adjustments. Open your GPU control panel to tweak perap brightness, contrast, and color calibration for better accuracy. Once done, save a custom color profile if you need repeatable results. If brightness controls disappear, check power options and update your display drivers. Sometimes toggles are hidden by outdated drivers. If problems persist, reboot, reinstall the display adapter from Device Manager, or run the hardware diagnostics. These steps fix most persistent brightness issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.